In the previous lecture, we learned about column settings, row settings, and the section settings. In this video, we will learn about the inner data. I am talking about content, buttons, images, and other things. Let's start. If we go to the column, click on it, we see there is a text and a button here. If we see text options, we see a simple text editor. If you want to code, you can code here. Otherwise, I will prefer open this editor and then you can add whatever you want. You can type anything that you want. You can change this paragraph line into a heading. You can choose heading 1 and see this is heading 1. Double click on it, select the line, change it into heading 2 and you can see here size is decreasing 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is up to you, or you can put it as a paragraph line. This is heading 2. You can make it bolder, italic, make a list, make it number, quoted, or you can also link this line wherever you want. Let's link it to Facebook page. Just click here, apply, and this is a link. You can also change the color here. Just OK, apply and update. Refresh the page and you will see a line with a link. When we open the link, it will open Facebook. In this way you can add content as you want. Now go to the button settings. First of all, here you can edit the button name. So this is a button. This is the letter case in capital letters or in small letters. This is the predefined colors for your button. You cannot choose any color as you want. Yes, you can use, but in custom coding by adding an class. Here you can choose primary color, secondary color which is already black, alert color, success green color, and then white color. This is the styling. This is the default styling, outline styling, simple styling, underline styling, shade styling, bevel styling, and glow styling. You can also specify the button sizes, padding from top, right, bottom or left. This is the radius. You can make it in square shape or in circular shape. Again, the depth, which looks cool. On hover, it fades away. You can expand the button with the size of the column. And this is awesome setting for button icon. You can use arrow down, arrow left, arrow right, check mark, clock, expand, Facebook, and many other options you have. So this was our first section. Let's go to the second section and go to the products. So this is the styling for your products. This is the vertical style, which is bad. This is label style. This is overlay style. Normal is better. Here is a slider or row. In row, you can put as many products as you want, and you can put numbers here. If you wanna put 20 products on your home page, then just write or type 20, and there will be 20 products. There are some styles. Grid style, full slider, and a simple slider is better option. Well, this can either be full width or container. This is the column spacing, how many columns you want for products. You can add that, over effect, animate. Here is the slider setting, reveal, disable the bullet, or you can also enable auto slider, disable. This is the box setting. If you want to show ratings, then click on this. If you want to category show, then click on this. Quick view, equalize items, and add to cart. Well, these products have no price, that's why there is no price showing. Here you can specify the image sizes and align text here. This is all the setting for your products. Just click on apply and update. Now you can see it here. So this is your slider. See you in the next video.